validation allows us to express our constraints in one place on the model and have them applied throughout. So for example, if we try to do something on the view layer where we put an empty set of tickets into the booking, that's going to cause an error. That error is going to be communicated to the user. But if for some reason that empty set of tickets bypasses some validation on the front end, you know, there's some kind of workaround or there's something broken in the view layer, and people can still maliciously push an empty object back here, the database would also prevent that, or the persistence layer, Hibernate, would also prevent that being inserted. So another good example of beam validation constraint would be this email that we have, where we have to put in an email address. And again, you know, we can use constraints like @email in order to make sure that it's only email addresses are allowed. Now let's take a look at this constraint. This constraint isn't loaded on my machine. It should have been, but well, let's take a look at see if we've got some other constraints up. I think that's going to download anytime this year. Okay, well, we can take a look at the not null constraint, and we can see that the constraint is largely defined as an annotation. It includes the it includes well, actually this one is a built-in one, but in general it would include a reference to the actual implementation of the constraint, which is written in Java. And then it includes any parameters that you need to put in. Let's just see if the email one is loaded. Yeah, here we are. So this is much better, right? Great. So yeah, we can see here this is a custom constraint that's provided by Hibernate Validator, which is an implementation of beam validation.